Hi guys, welcome to T Bank's World. So you guys, doing business on Instagram is one of the ways that a lot of women in Nigeria use to market their product. So a lot of women are on Instagram selling, and I'm sure that there are a lot of women on Instagram that probably inspired you to start up your Instagram shop. People sell different things on Instagram. People sell from clothes to shoes to services to wigs, like a lot of people sell different things now, and there are a lot of women who are doing amazing on Instagram. The issue is that not everybody is doing well, and I'm sure some people have beef with celebrities because they feel like celebrities are able to make more money on Instagram because they are popular, either movie celebrities or just normal people who have become Instagram influencers and have become very good on Instagram. So I recently saw a video of a girl that broke down and was crying about her sales on Instagram. I'm just going to put it up, then we're just going to discuss on some things you could do to increase your sales on Instagram.
I don't know if there is any law in Nigeria that says it's only when you're popular you can be able to make sales. Most times I struggle so hard to import my hair. I can even put just 1,000 naira to the cost of my hair. Hair that will cost me 17,000, I can put 1,000 naira to sell 71,000. And nobody will be commenting, nobody will want to buy hair from me on my Instagram.
When I saw this video, I think a week ago or some days back, I was really broken because I know how it is to be on Instagram or on any other social platform, really putting in a lot of work and you're not getting results. And I saw the need to do this because this is one of the reasons why I set up this channel. A lot of people have always asked me, how do I do online business? How do I do this? How do I do that? And I just want to share little thoughts here and there on what you can do because I've done this thing. Okay, I understand it now. First of all, let me just say that everything in life takes time. Anything you are involved in, it takes time to build momentum. So always have that at the back of your mind when you want to start out a business or when you are doing a business. People need to know who you are. People need to trust you. People need to get used to your voice. People need to get to who you are as a person. That's why it's important to show up. Okay, I know it's not easy. I know it's difficult, but you need to build that trust factor. People need to trust you. People need to already know who you are and as well as what it is that you are doing. So that's the first thing I'm going to say. The second thing I'm going to say about selling on Instagram, I'm going to play another video. Let's compare and contrast, especially if you're a hair vendor. Let's just compare and contrast. Then you guys tell me, who are you likely going to buy from? Then we're going to examine two different Instagram pages, and I'm going to come back and talk to you and end this video.
This is 16 inches super double drum Vietnam pixie. Pigs get different country, get different make, but this particular one is Vietnam. They have Philippines, they have Malaysia, they have Colombia, they have Russia, they have a lot of them, but this particular one is Vietnam. 200 gram with a matching closure is 95,000. 300 gram with a matching closure is 135,000. Hey, hey, hey.
Now, honestly, as a buyer or a consumer, even as a seller yourself, which of these vendors would you buy from? Obviously, you're going to buy from the person that is jovial, that is excited, that you can see the product in action, you can see the product in use, you can see how it is being used, how it's going to look like when you buy it. Not from the person who is telling you the various specifications and all of that. really, do people really care about that? All those information, people want to see how the wig is going to look on them. Okay, so in selling on Instagram, you need to show your product in use, you alive, you need to show it with other products, how it's going to look like. So for the case of this person that is selling wigs, she's showing us her product after you've done your makeup and all of that, how it is going to come out. So people are not going to buy from you because you are emotionally blackmailing them or because you are crying or all of that. No, they are going to buy an outcome. They are buying a feeling. They are buying the experience of using that product. Another thing that I wanted to talk about is the aesthetics of your page. I'm not saying that your page has to be you have to live a fake life or go to places where you cannot afford, but how your feed looks is really very important, and what it is that you are posting, because a lot of people have experienced buying things from scammers and from people that are not trustworthy, or buying things from even pages that they have high-end aesthetics and all of that. Then you buy something from them, it doesn't come out looking good. Okay, so just look at this page. For instance, you can see the cohesiveness of it. It is beautiful. You even you want to look at it. It's like a catalog, it's like a magazine. It's not scattered, especially for people that are doing beauty related stuff. Your page has to have some cleanliness to it. Your page cannot just be everywhere scattered and all of that. That's why I've created a program for you to redo your feed. Okay, I will show you the apps, everything that you need. You can check the description box for a link. It's a very simple class, the apps that you need, how you can create a clean feed for your Instagram business. Okay, so if your page is not neat, if your page is not cohesive, I'm not saying that everything has to be like one color, but let there be some sort of organization to your page. Okay, because it's your virtual store, it's your virtual shop, so you have to make it. People are buying experiences. Okay, so even though it is online, that digital experience that you are creating on your page, it has to make them wanting. You have to make the simple and short of selling the simple and short about selling on Instagram is that you have to make people desire what it is that you are selling. They have to want it. They have to let it be like you are missing out if you don't buy this thing from me. Not because you are saying it, but because of the type of experience that you are creating. It's just what it is. Let people feel like. That's why you go to certain vendors' pages and it's like people are sleeping there. It's just because of the experience, how they feel. It's not necessarily what exactly they are buying. Yes, a lot of people buy stuff for different reasons, for status, to say I bought from this particular person. So even if your business is small, you have a small page, let the experience on your channel, on your page, be such that when somebody buys from you, it's like a privilege to buy from you. Do you understand? When the aesthetics, everything, and it's not like you have to spend a lot of money, you guys. No, it is just, you just need to know what to do. All right, that's why the social selling class is for anyone who is selling online and how to position yourself. All right, so check the description box for details. The last thing I'm going to be saying about selling on Instagram is that you need to spend money on advertising. Don't say I'm a small business, I don't have money to do adverts. Set aside money every month that you are going to spend on adverts, because you need new eyes to see your products. There are some people that don't know you, they've never heard about you, but they can discover you through adverts. Okay, and the last thing I will say is that don't just stay on Instagram. If you've done everything and Instagram is not working, there are other platforms. Okay, Instagram is not the only platform where you can market your business. All right, Instagram is just one platform out of many that you can market your business. Thank you. Remember to check the description box for my class, Instagram Feed for Small Business. It's a class that you want to take your feed to the next level, to increase sales for your business. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.